I'll wait for later. Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have you ever heard this? Have you ever heard yourself say this? I'll do it later. No worries. It's not a priority. Well, can you? Can you afford to wait? I'm here to talk about making opportunity right now. And if you have got an inspirational idea, something that could change not only your life, but a ton of other lives, you have a duty to do it now. No more procrastination. Don't take it from me. Some really famous stories from history. You may have heard of Alexander Graham Bell, but you probably have not heard of Elijah Gray, the telephone, right? They both had the same invention, the same idea independently at the same time. Bell, who I'm sure you've heard of, filed hours before Gray, filed the same very similar invention just hours before. And of course, Bell started the Bell Telephone Company, launched and became the father of the telephone. Even though he might not have actually invented it first, he was the first to file, first to take action. Don't be like Elijah Gray, be like Bell. Take another example, Steve Jobs and the iPhone. Before announcing in 2007, the very first iPhone, do you think he waited to file patent applications to see if the public liked his idea? No, he filed many patent applications right before the big launch and the huge unveiling of the iPhone. The Wright Brothers, you've all heard about, inventor of the airplane, not only flew first in 1903, they also quickly filed for patents on their control system right away. They actually had a competitor, Glenn Curtiss. You may or not have heard of him. He actually did not get awarded any patents in this space. So the patents helped move their whole business forward and revolutionize aerodynamic flight as we know it. Now, even if your invention isn't quite as big as being the first iPhone, inventing flight, or moving from one thing to the next, you've got to take action. Don't procrastinate. And if today is that day, hop onto our website at boldpatents.com. Let us be your guide and schedule a free discovery call. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.